Hey y'all, it's your girl Domestic Deity again. I'm coming to you with a new different kind of video, and it is me cooking because that's what I like to do. I love to cook. Okay, I'm making short ribs, carrots, and potatoes tonight. Easy breezy. So because the short ribs are still frozen, I'm going to put them in my fast cooker, which I really love. I love this one. So first I'm going to start off with some olive oil. And I like to wear gloves because I don't like to get my hands on this stuff. Because by the time you wash your hands 50 million times, you're wasting all the good bacteria that's on your hands. So, and then I turn this on, and then we click saute. And then we wait for it to come on. And then it usually takes a little minute to heat up. And while it's heating up, I'll tell y'all what I have. I have garlic and herb. I get all my seasonings from Whole Foods because I like to do organic. Dill weed, lemon pepper. I love this. Celery salt, brown gravy, and better than bouillon. I like this because it is a liquefied state and it's slow cooked. It's like a broth type thing, something like that. And then I have beef broth. I like to put that in there. And then onions and garlic. And we're in New Orleans, so we have like the best of everything foods. So we have this place called Rouse's Market, if you're not from here. And they have boiled garlic. So what they do is, when they make like shrimp and crawfish, and they put the seasoning in it, the crab boil seasoning, they use this, and they do like a crawfish boil type. Okay, well, let me stop. You have to clean that off. So they use like, so we call it a crawfish boil or crab boil or something like that. Some of y'all beloveds call it like seafood boil, but we call it broil. Boil too. And they put the garlic in there. And then we usually eat the garlic with the crawfish and stuff like that. But they make it in a individually packaged. And it's delicious. So I use it for my food. And it gives it that New Orleans taste of flavor. And I really love that. So I don't use that much. I only need like 4 cloves. I would put 8 cloves if I wasn't cooking for my family because I really love garlic. Okay? And this doesn't take long to get hot. So it's hot already. You just set that down here. Now, I'm not going to baste mine in flour and all that because, first of all, it's unhealthy. And second of all, it makes too much mess. When I have to cook for a family of 8 people. So when I cook, I want to cook, hurry up, and be done. So I don't be all day with this cooking thing. My husband be hungry. My husband be like, I'm ready to eat. So I usually brown this off. And I can do a little dirty. And I love these Pyrex glass. I love these. These are like the Bible for me. I love them. So I use these a lot. And I bake with them cookies. I don't make cookies that much. I have to stop eating all the cookies because I was going to sleep. So cookies, anything to put on here. Roasted vegetables, sweet potatoes, you know, stuff like that. Anything. So I have this here. I have a limited amount of space, so I be struggling. Be struggling in these woods. And they just brown and don't take long. About a minute or 2 per side, because this thing is hot. This thing is really hot. So it don't take long. And you just want to get a sear on them because it holds in the juices when you cook the food. Like if you've seen that on Food Channel Network, they'll tell you that. So, and if you season them with seasoned flour and stuff, then you do the same thing. And it'll get that seasoning crust on it, which makes it really rich. You get like a rich gravy. So what I do is, I'll just add my flour to the end. I'll add the flour, like after this finished cooking, I'll put the flour in it. And then you thick it up like that. But just like a little bit, like a tablespoon or a teaspoon, I think. You don't need that much of the cereal. You just want to warm it up. Just wake it up. And they're still frozen. So that's what I like about this thing. I can put anything in here that's frozen or fresh. And it'll cook it like it wasn't frozen. It cooks up quick. And it cooks up quick. Because like I said, my husband will be ready. And now I just take these gloves. And I use gloves a lot. I live by these gloves here because they keep it sanitary. Oh, I said that already. Keep it sanitary, and I don't have to keep washing my hands, and you know, I just rather. I know it's not good for the environment, so forgive me. So no plastic kills the animals, but I still like to use it. I don't want to kill my hands either. So while that cooks, I'll usually cut these. So I have what they call rainbow carrots. They come in different colors and stuff. They're very healthy. And my kids bring these to school and they be like, what kind of carrots is that? Because they sell them in like baby carrots. Like you have orange baby carrots. They'll sell these like in orange on the small baby carrots. And I pack them for my kids' lunch and my kids be like, they was asking me, what kind of carrots is those? You need to tell your mama to take that back to the store. And I be like, they don't sell this at Walmart. So you have to get this from Whole Foods. So I just rough cut them. Because when you cook them, they're going to cook down. And that cooks fast. And I usually put these in, like right after the short ribs are done, I'll put these in. And the potatoes too. And as you can see, like I said, I have a limited amount of space. So I try to work with what I got. It's mine. I own it. It's small, but it's mine. And I love my little house with my big family. We've added on a few times. And we've added on over there. She's not going to show it because we got clothes and stuff on. We've added on. It's a main room. We added a bedroom on in the back. Because this used to be a carport over there. So we just try to make it work with our little family, our big family, and our little house. But a lot of people used to say, don't say that because it's yours. It's your house. And then just flip them. See how brown they get? And it don't take long. So just flipping them, let them brown. And while they're brown, you can kill many birds with one stone. It's a potato. I've already washed and peeled my carrots, so missed that part. It's kind of precious. So I like to wash my potatoes because you know they grow underground in the dirt. So it's good to wash them. And that's why I say washing your hands. Your hands get enough water play, you know? And as I cook, I have little minions running around. So if you see me looking, that's what I'm doing. Looking at my little minions. They be running around all over. Trying to capitalize, you know. Oh, Mama's cooking and doing stuff, so let's do stuff. She's not looking, so let's get into something. Let's get this crack-a-lacking. And so that's brown enough. We need them that brown. Just want them a little brown. And then we put the next batch in. Trying to fit as many in here that I can. And then as you wait, you go back over here. I cut up these potatoes. I just do a rough cut. And then I put the potatoes in with the carrots at the same time because they cook about the same. So I do just a little rough cut. And it's one of them quick, easy night meals. Especially when you put it in that thing there. Makes it very quick. And I used to put these in, when I first got that, I would put everything in at one time. And I would notice that sometimes I would have to cook short ribs a little longer because they wouldn't be cooked all the way. So, and then I would have this already in there. And then that would make it all mushy and stuff. So then you don't really have much of a bite to it. So now, just after trial and error, I learned that you put this in when it's half cooked. And then, you know, because I'm like, ooh, a fast cooker. Shoot, I should be able to do that, you know, with all of it together in no time. No, they don't work like that. And I keep my nails short so I can be able to cook cute and short, you know, so I can still be cute but functional. Because I used to have the long, long nails, but I used to be in here cutting myself. Literally cutting myself.
Accident, bro.
But that happened from me washing the dishes, though. I was washing glasses and put my hand in the water and then realized they had a glass in there that was cut, that was broken, that one of my kids put in the water. And it was broken. Or my husband said that the heat probably made that glass. Because I do like a hot. I used to boil water on the stove and wash my dishes hot. But I don't do that anymore because I got too many kids. And the minions, my minions do the for me. My teenage girls wash the dishes for me now. So, and I ain't gonna ask them to do that because they barely want to wash dishes. So I take what I can get. And then this better than bouillon, it comes brown. See? It's like a paste. That stuff you can't read. Because the motto is, if you can't read it, you shouldn't be buying it. Right? Ooh. And I don't brown all four sides because that's just a time waster. And it makes for the stuff to get, the oil to burn. So I don't really like my oil to burn. You know. Yeah. So then we got the carrots. And then it's just going to all marry together. Oh, and then I got my onions. I use frozen onions. I already made frozen onions. Or sometimes I'll get the Whole Foods. They'll have already cut fresh melody. There's onion, bell pepper, red, green, and whatever color, yellow. Go ahead. It. All right, so now you add your onions. I add my onions. You get a spoon. My favorite spoon. You know, I love the spoons. I like the wooden spoons because it doesn't scratch the surface and stuff. So it keeps my onions down. And I don't put a lot of onions. Like I said, if it was me, I would have like 2 cups of onions and 8 cloves of garlic because I like that kind of stuff, but they don't like garlic. And I have this little caddy here. Isn't that cute? Where I keep all my spoons and my utensils. And I do use this when I'm using my cast iron because this works good with cast iron. See? Isn't that cute? I love my little mason jar. It's so cute. Now I don't measure. Sorry, y'all, but I don't measure. I just sprinkle. So don't listen to them people with that. You only live once, so I'm gonna just mess myself up. You can live once, but you can live once a long time. You don't have to live once 30 years. You can live once for 100 years. Which would be the better of the latter. You know? That's my motto. That's what I tell my clients when they talk about that you only live once crap. And then I just put the seasonings in. And I just wake them up, wake up, and then as I go, and then I put my seasonings back. Oh, this is fresh. Is my sous chef here? No, he's not here. You don't want to waste any bit of it because it's organic. And once you take the top off, then you clamp it. Because some people put it back on and then they try to unclamp it. I don't really like this because it has the sesame seeds in it. I wish they come out with a new one and omit the sesame seeds. Oh, where this coming? I love lemon pepper, and I don't measure. What I do is if it's still lacking, I'll just add more at the end. So I don't know. I don't know if it works, but it's what I do. Paprika. What you know paprika makes? Paprika is what makes yellow rice yellow. The main ingredient in yellow rice is paprika. And then I put my base. And the base has a lot of flavor in it too, so you don't need all that seasoning. Break that up. And you just heat it up so it can have so the oils can come out. My brown gravy. And the brown gravy is more of the flour. So then you don't need all that flour. And I'll use one first, and then when I'm thickening it up, I'll use the other. And remember I said it'll have a lot of oil. So you put it in before on the oil, just as I hit. And so this is going to dissolve. Once it dissolves, then I usually pour it back out. Or marry together, like me and my hubby. Marry it together. And reduce down just a little bit. Oh, look at that goodness. And that's going to be gravy later, too. And that's what's going to end up being like gravy. Once I skim the fat off, the fat that does render out. That's gravy. All right, then put short ribs back in. I used to do big to small. This is the biggest one I could get, so this is the one I got. And it fits everything. The nerve level. And then we do this. I burnt my hand last time, y'all. I was like, oh man, the butter is hot. Not on this, but I was getting butter out. You see, just put that on top like that. It's alright if it gets on the napkin because we got washers. We can wash. That's why we have washers, dryers, and detergent. You can just move it around a little bit. I like to flip it over. Come see. You just move it around a little bit. Let it all get coated. And then you add a little more of this. This goes a long way, so you don't need much. a little more of this. And then I like to add this on top, and you can just let it marinate. It's so powerful. Old Bay. We love the Old Bay. Because that's what they call me. Old Bay. Old Bay, what you doing? And then the liquid. Since you don't need much, but you do need some to get it going. Put that in. And then put the lid on. So then we go off. And then I like to do stew. And then I add more time. And then that's it. And then after like 10 minutes, it's going to, yep. After 10 minutes, it's going to do this. And then it's going to say P. And that means pressure. And I'm going to cut the video off. And when it's finished, I'll be back to show you the rest. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, so you can see what your girl be doing. Be blessed and not stressed. Now the short ribs have cooked down to nothing, like I told y'all. See? That's my manual photo bag. And then it's cooked down to nothing. And it's almost done. Really is done. So what I do is, you see how much oil? I skimmed the oil for time purposes. See how much oil came out of that? And this is just a fawn. Call that fawn. Fawn in oil. And now I take the potatoes. And just put them in. And hope they all fit. Don't mind the noise. That's my little baby. She's so cute. She does stuff. You do just put the potatoes right on top. And if I have any left over, I'll just make that for next time. I'll freeze it and save it for something else. But I try not to have anything left over because they can eat. These people be eating. But I will put all the carrots, that's for sure. Because more vegetables, less starch, less meat. And these are Yukon Gold potatoes too, in case I didn't mention it. Yukon Gold. You got the purple carrots, my favorite color. It's purple. You see? It's still all fit. Isn't this magic? It's freaking magic. How big this is. There. Take this. I ain't got no money to waste no food. And she's gonna crop that out. And so then your grease. No. But your fawn, yes. Then this is the half mix that I told y'all about. That goes on top. And that's your flour. And then you take a spoon, just let it mix and drop it down below. And that's your flour. So that's why you don't need flour. And that's why I don't put the flour. Because once you add all that, you don't need flour. Take my fawn and just drizzle it all on top. And it has a little oil in it, but not that much. Just gotta put my dirty dishes with your dirt. And then I'm gonna put the top back on. And wipe these lids, because they're hot. I burn my hands often on these lids. I forget. And then I put it on for about another 20 minutes. Let's do 25. And then it's gonna cook down. And after that, it'll be time to dish it out. And I'll be back to show you the finished product. And then we'll be eating. Thank you so much. See you in 25-30 minutes. And while that's cooking, we take this here. I have a little, oh, this is the wrong one. Got the one my peanut oil. This one. So I have this thing of oil here that I use for oil because we want to be environmentally somewhat safe, not with the gloves because I'm going to use my gloves. But with this, we want to be some kind of environmentally safe. You don't want to pour it down the drain or the toilet because this is oil. This is what clogs up the ceiling and keeps the pumps not working. So I just drain it right in here. No funnel. I try to get out as hard as I can. A little bit goes down the bar. We have Dawn. And the Dawn takes grease right out of your way. This is where I put my dirty dishes. I try to have organization because it's so small. And, you know, and then I just make this tight because no one smells to come out. And put that in there. And it's cooking. Well, not cooking. It's still pressurizing. I don't like that. It takes forever to pressurize. Once it starts, and it's bubbling away. You can hear it and feel it. And I'll be back after 20 minutes to show you the final product. All right, how y'all doing? I'm back. And it is done, 20 minutes. Really could have did 15 minutes. It's very soft. Ah. How soft that is. How soft that is. And then I'll just take it out. Just take it out. And I just put it right on this water. I love you. I see my skin. It out on this platter, and then everybody gets to get what they want, and how much they want. I usually don't put a lot on the platter because the more you put, the more they want. And I'll be trying to have leftovers for me and the baby. And my husband for lunch. And then put a little juice on it. A little juice. And see how they make their own gravy, and I don't even have to make gravy. See? I don't even have to make gravy. It makes its own gravy. And that's because you poured the powdered gravy mix. And then you don't have to have gravy. You have to make gravy. You should pour that in.